Here's a little trailer. It's an 87 model. It's 12 foot long, 6 foot wide, 6'6" tall. Got your 2-inch ball on it. Got your brakes on the rear axle. The man got old. Couldn't use it anymore. This thing's got a very, very good floor in it now. Look at that floor, guys. Hold that door. This is a nice trailer. This thing's got a divider gate. This is salt treat floor in here now. 2-inch salt treat. Up here in the front, it's got a cut gate with right at 5 foot in the front of this gate. Then the rear of it has got like 7 foot. Up the very front of that trailer, right here, 12 foot exactly, right to here. But it sure has got a good floor in it now. This here locks from inside. All metal, sides gate. It's got a square tubing frame on it. It's got a tie up here to tie stuff with. These trailers are so high anymore that you can't even find one for any kind of a price, hardly new or used. But, this here will be here for you to look at. There is a title, a good title. This is a factory.